Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, sir. In this video, I will present about application of Employees Data Management System Regional Legislative Council Secretariat in Tulungagung. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditia Dika Putra Laksamana. I am Diploma Information System of Telkom University. As you can see, it's a short biodata about me. Next, the content or the topic about application in this video is the first, we have introduction of the application. Second, background and problems. And third, research method. And fourth, analysis and design. And last, the conclusion of this application. And for the first, is the introduction for this application. Many people will ask to me, what is Employee Data Management System application? Employee Data Management System application is an application that functions to manage employees' data. This research is intended to build an employee system application that can handle complex and large number of data. And for the background, why we make this application for Secretariat in Tulungagung? It's because the technology development are going very fast, and it affects the human performance, a human work, a human jobs, based in operational role system. So it's transitioning towards the system, and the development of the technology and information will make our work more effective and efficient. Computerized data management now this become a very important thing, because with the existence of proper management that can manage a lot of data, it will can access easily or make your jobs, your works more efficient. And next, we have the problem in Secretariat in Tulungagung that we should make this application. The first, storage of employees' data, form of paper. And here, and next we have the problem in Secretariat Tulungagung that why we should make this application. The first, storage of employees' data in the form of paper files which are kept in the rack will consume more space. Second, collection of file requirement from employees is needed to on-site at office. So if you wanna report something or make a data, you needed to come to the office, and it not effective and will take a time. The third, the letter of making process is still using Microsoft Word, and the employees should retype data or letter which can get duplicate of the letter. And the fourth, if the data for staff needs, staff must search manually, like search the data one by one in the racks, or ask for someone one by one. And of course, will take much time. And the fifth, to make an employee's report, staff or officer must summarize the data first, because the data separate. And fifth, to make a summarized report, the staff our officer or employees should summarize the separate data first. And we have the solution of this fifth problem. The first, this application have a database that can manage data. So employees can more easier to manage their data. It's more effective and efficient. Second, this application can facilitate the employees to collect files or data by uploading the data by online. The third, easy to search data because we just open the file from the computer. And plus, this application can automatically print a short list or a report of short list rank atau data urut pegawai. And next, we talk about a research method. In this application, in this case, we make this application from SDLC waterfall or system development life cycle waterfall that have 5 stages or 5 method. The first is requirement analysis and definition. It is the stage of determining system features, constraint, and objective in consultation with the system users. And this will be defined in the detail and serve as system specification. The second, have a system software design. In this stage, design and system will be formed based on a predetermined requirement and identify and describe the basic abstraction of the software system. And the third, implementation and unit testing. In this stage, the results of the software will be realized as a program unit. The fourth, we have integration system testing. Integration and system testing, each program unit will be integrated with one another and tested as one system. And the last, we have operation and maintenance. And this stage is not yet done because the application must done first, must finish first. And why we make this application by waterfall? It's because the requirement is clear. It's clear from the standard operational procedure. And next, we talk about the analysis and design. To build this software, we have modeling tools. There are 3 modeling tools we use in this case. First, we have business process modeling notation or BPMN. The BPMN is used for the system. And for the class, we have a use case diagram. We're using UML diagram. And third, for the database and for the data or relation, we use entity relationships diagram. And for the application build tools, we are using PHP, hypertext or programming hypertext processor. And to speed up the development of this application, we using the Code Igniter framework, and for the database, it will be use MySQL, and for application testing, we are using black box testing. And we have the actor or the user of this application. The first we have employer, second staff, head of subdivision, and head of general civil service. The employees are people who have access rights to add the related data and personal files. And the second, staff. Staff have access right to perform the employees registration and view all employees data. Staff can verify submission and approval by viewing and printing the staffing report. And for head subdivision and head of general and civil service have the same rights, have access to verify submission and carry out application approval. And next, we have a page preview from this application. The first is the login page. This login page can access by that actor or user that I told before. And we have, if we should login, we can going to homepage. And this homepage will have the bar and more information about this application. And we have a profile page. You can change your profile, update your password, update your photos profile, and anything. And we have employees data page. We can search or view the employees data. And we have a promotion application form, shortlist rank report, submission detail, requirement detail, and promotion application list page. And for the conclusion of this application, why we make this application, this must be useful or not, is first, that digital data saving. This application can store personal data computerized and structured. And second, this application can facilitate employees to collect files or data by uploading data by online. And third, this application can facilitate the passage staffing in making application letters or form without retyping data and have a own format to type in. Fourth, this application can facilitate passage to be able to print the employees data and employees data report. And last, this application can facilitate the employee staff to create and print short list rank with appropriate format, and it automatic and more effective and efficient. I think it's enough for the presentation this application. I am Aditia Dika Putra Laksamana. Sorry for the mistake, and thanks for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.